Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Windows 11 is here. But should you upgrade? In the next 2 minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know: features, performance, compatibility, and more. First, let's talk about what's new. Windows 11 has a fresh, modern design with a centered start menu, rounded corners, and a more fluid user experience. Snap layouts make multitasking easier than ever. And the new Widgets panel keeps you updated on the latest news, weather, and stock trends. Windows 11 isn't just about looks, it's also faster and more efficient. You get improved battery life and smoother performance. Gamers will love Auto HDR, direct storage, and seamless integration with Xbox Game Pass. But here's the catch: not all PCs can run Windows 11. You need TPM 2.0, secure boot, and a compatible processor. Run the PC Health Check tool to see if your device is eligible. So should you upgrade? If you have a compatible PC and want the latest features, go for it. But if Windows 10 works fine for you, remember, it's supported until 2025. That's your 2-minute guide to Windows 11. Like and subscribe for more tech updates.